tour in South Africa. Put your seatbelts on. Showtime. There sat the man who must the bus, alone with his drink and his drone. The building on your right is the Old Transport Museum, and it will be open tomorrow morning after breakfast. And we only water the garden with a red fire engine. Still on your left is the pictures you can bury dead before in the barn. We turn to the right because we can't go to the left. The old bus is a 1950 model coming per ship from England to South Africa. This bus is so old that the smoke of the bus running in front of the bus. Slowly but surely, we take the old dust road. We turn now to the right because we can't go to the left. That gate is closed. And that was your first 5 minutes of your 10-minute drive. And we still going. There walk the people who missed the bus. This parking area was the parade ground where the British walk up and down, left, right, the whole night. Any old standard band run out of money. The bar is open now till tomorrow morning after breakfast. People, we stop now in front of the hotel and please stay on the tour for 1 minute to show you the house where Lord Milner drank his last cup of tea before Daisy the Melter kicked his ass. Follow me to the ghost house. Thank you very much. Come, Blondie. Follow me.